Okay, okay. So, guys, what happened was I'm having there's a Wi-Fi network issue. It's slightly weak, so it got cut. Managed to reconnect. Just in case it abruptly gets cut again, remember that I love you and I wish a very, very happy new year for you. But till that happens, I'll continue to chat. I think for another 5 minutes, I'll be here. I was enjoying interacting with you guys, taking your names. Satish Priya, Ajit Kumar, Sumit, hi, Happy New Year, Niranjan, Arshad Fikri, Mandian Shanmugam, Sri Raja, Alok Sasmal, Mufid Ahmed, Muhammad Ilyas, thank you so much. Wish you a very happy new year. Sanjay Yadav, Prem Pyar, Prabhu Solomon, Mithun Michael, Badshah, Selvam Kalaimani, Raj Sharma. Thank you so much. What am I saying? I don't know. Sunny Roy, Ram Kumar, Sai Krishna. Happy New Year. Happy 2022. I will not get tired of saying it. I will keep saying it. It has to be a happy 2022. And you guys have to have amazing years. Saskar, I didn't stop Tamil movies. I'm still there. It's just I didn't do one in long, and that wasn't planned. It just turned out that way. But there's a good chance I'll be doing something very soon. Very, very soon. But thank you so much for your wishes. Sachin, hi. Rajmatri Divakar, hi. Happy New Year's, happy 2022. Wishing you lots of fireworks, lots of fun, lots of prosperity, lots of success, good health. Actually, sorry. The top of the list is good health. It starts with good health and very fun times. I hope it eases out because I'm sure many of you want to travel and traveling is so important, and my heart goes out to all the children, who are not getting a regular interaction with other children in schools. I think especially for them it's very important that they go meet their friends and be able to play and attend school and do regular stuff. So let's really pray and hope that it happens in 2022, that we have a safe, secure, happy world where we can go about our lives and have lots of fun. What's it? Do you think? I'm not singing, guys. Stop asking me to sing. I'm not going to sing. Not right now, at least. Maybe, okay, so I'm thinking, I'm not sure. I might come after 12 o'clock again to wish you all Happy New Year, depending on how much, I don't know, energy I have, or if I have network, or if so many things. But after I'm done wishing my family, if I could, I will definitely come live again sometime after 12 o'clock. I don't know when. Anytime after 12. So any of you who have your phones with you around that time, I would love to wish you Happy New Year's again, and let's all very, very joyfully go into this new year. I'm very excited for some reason. I have no idea why. But it's a good feeling. Karthikeyan, hi. Ravi Godimala, hi. Mohammad Yasin, how are you doing? Sarang Sakpal, hi. Absolutely. Arnab Zahan, Ashwardha Veera, Malak Gul Nawaz, Tiger Kismat, Vinod Pokle. Thank you so much, guys. So what, I would love to know generally from all of you, what are your resolutions? For 2022, what are your resolutions? What are you planning to change about yourself, or do different, or do better, or remove, or add? हिंदी, हाँ ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी. हाय अभिषेक श्रीवास्तव. तो मैं थोड़ी देर में हिंदी के लिए बात करती हूँ. इंग्लिश मतलब आदत हो गई है, ऐसा नहीं कि हिंदी आती नहीं है. हिंदी बिल्कुल आती है, और जस्ट आउट ऑफ हैबिट. तो मैं अभी आप सबसे हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. तो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर तो मैं इंग्लिश में ही बोलूंगी, पर आप सबको नए साल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. और 2022 में मैं यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आप सभी के सारी मनोकामनाएं पूरी हो, सारे सपने पूरे हो, बस यही एक दुआ है मेरी। और आप सबसे मिलने के लिए मैं लाइव आई हूँ, तो वापस हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का मैं शुरू करती हूँ मैराथन, बिकॉज इट्स माई, आई मीन आई लव डूइंग दिस। Akhilan, Happy New Year. You don't want to change. That's fine too. Okay. If you're already your best version, great. I still have lots of work to do. Lots and lots. So, someday, hopefully soon, I could say that. Jayan Nair, thank you so much. Shekhar, you want to live for yourself. Okay, fair enough. That's important. Mohit Kumar, thank you so much. Vinod, thank you so much. You want to motivate yourself more. Yes, you should. Raj Velu, great entrepreneur. Okay. Wow. You want to become a great entrepreneur next year. Who else? What else do you guys want to do? We don't follow, but still, it's good to have new hopes on yourself. I mean, trust yourself. Who knows? You might surprise yourself. Keep a resolution. You might stick with it. Shri Krish, okay. Shiva, Happy New Year to you too. Ramalingam, hi. Vishnu Suryavanshi, hi. Muhammad Arif, Happy New Year. Shivraman, Happy New Year. Inderpal, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so overwhelmed. Seriously. I love each one of you who are on the page, and thank you so much for coming on my live today. Thank you so much for letting me share my wishes with you. And you guys have an amazing year. Shankar, you want to work hard and help poor people. That is such a beautiful goal you have. Vishnu Prasad, yes. Harish Kumar, Happy New Year. Burby Eskala, my wish is to be positive and to enjoy life. You know, that's beautiful. Actually, that's a great resolution to have, to just enjoy life. Stay positive, stay upbeat, look for the brighter side of things, choose to be happy whenever you can. I know it's not always easy, but try. Let's try this coming year. Harish Gowda, Happy New Year. Gilly Saab, Happy New Year. Sachin Jakoji, Happy New Year. That's a nice line, huh? Ali Raza, thank you so much. Bunga Shrinu, I'll tell, okay, Vijay Devarkonda, I'll tell him. I'll let him know you said this. It's your orders. Kajal Kumar, thank you so much. Saundarya Karthik, thank you. Oh, you're from Coimbatore. Much love to Coimbatore. I love that city. Try some words in Malayalam. Next time. Just Hindi English for today. Kindly adjust. Karthi Kingmaker, that's a beautiful thing you did. God bless you. Hi Kashif. Ajay Kumar, change of physiology. Then that is true. That is so true. Keep fit, be healthy, exercise. So yeah, guys, I'm planning to start my exercise like proper, you know, early morning exercise from 1st of Jan, which is tomorrow. And I've told my trainer to come here at 6:30. I know I should go and work out, but 6:30. So I'm seeing if my resolution is to be flexible, maybe that, you know, not 6:30, 8:30 is also okay for 1st of Jan. I'm thinking like that. Vishal Sharma, planning to start exercise. Good, you should. Guys, exercise is so important and it gives you like such a good mood. It helps you stay cheerful and happy, which is everything actually. I'm not saying it's important. It is the reason why we do anything in life, is so that we become happy, right? So exercise helps you do that. So exercise regularly. I'm telling myself because I don't. Sundara Ganpati, thank you so much. Rana Aslam, how are you doing this evening? Nikesh Joshi, Alagappa Nan, Happy New Year to you. Oh, Akilan, thank you so much. Much love to Bangladesh. Thank you so much for your wishes. Murli Ajit, thank you so much. Avaran, thank you. Vinayak Chocolate, that's such a cute name. Saroj Kumar, thank you. Sachin Jakoji, you come up with good lines, Sachin. Sarfaraz Biswas. I don't know. Abdullah, thank you so much. My resolution, I still don't know. I have a bunch of things I have to get done, which I had to get done in 2010, I think, which I'm making as a resolution for 2021. See, the important thing is I'm still after it. In spite of knowing that probability is low and I have not done it in so many years, and how will it happen this year? It's important to just, I'm deciding to trust myself that I might surprise myself and pull it off. So yeah, bunch of them. I'm trying to bring it down to one or two because those are the ones that work when you have like one goal at a time. Naskabale, Happy New Year from Philippines. Happy New Year to you too. I've heard it's beautiful. And I really hope to come to Philippines someday very soon. And take a dip in one of those freshwater pools that I've seen in the videos. They look surreal. Thank you, Kanai. Said Umar Ali, thank you. Kailash Vaman, any plan to do a Netflix project? It's not planned as such. It could happen. It's very possible. But I will update you once I have clarity on the same. Tarak Shah, thank you so much. Don Momos, your caffeine Pondicherry sounds nice. I might just come. Okay, guys, I'm going to take leave. I have some stuff to do, and probably around 12:31, if possible, I will come live again to wish you all for a amazing new year ahead. So guys, happy 2022. Let's take the best of whatever we experienced in 2021 forward with us into this new year. And let's be there for each other. Let's love each other. Let's just have an amazing year ahead. Thank you so much for joining me on this live. And I will see you very soon. So those of you who are free or who have the phones handy with you, somewhere between 12:31, I'll come live. See you all again. Bye. Bye, everyone.